In the last tutorial we have seen how to add some links to our web page. So let's go back quickly and see what our homepage looks like. So here it is, here is our link that we have added, and like I said, you can add many links, and if you click on this link, it's actually been linked with a About Us page, and the About Us page will be displayed here. Alright, however, if we go to the home of our homepage, so basically this is the landing page, you can still see that there's this big block here that's actually blank, and we need to enter some stuff there. Logically, the stuff that you would enter here is the actual new products or products that are currently on sale. So in this tutorial video, we will have a look how to actually enter the new products catalog in this block here. To do so, we'll go back to the admin dashboard, and here we'll go to CMS. Going down the list, we'll find front-end apps. After clicking on this link, we'll be presented with a managed front-end apps instances. Alright, all the front apps instances will be actually displayed here. Currently we do not have any, and therefore we can just go and click on add new front-end apps instance. Alright, so this is the first page and the first step of actually adding a new front-end app, and the first thing we have to do is actually select a type. So we are actually going to add a catalog new product list. So we'll select catalog new product list and we will hit continue. Alright, the title of a front-end app instance is required and we have to enter it here. So I'll just put products here, like so. Alright, so once we are done with that, we can actually hit on save and continue editing. Once that has been saved, we'll come down to layout updates, and here we have to add a new layout update. The first thing we'll have to select is the page where we want this to be displayed. So you can choose from many different pages here, but actually I would just like to be displayed on a specific page. Alright, so I have selected a specific page, and therefore I have to select which page this is going to be on, and I'm going to choose CMS homepage. Of course, if you look through all this list, you can find many different pages that you can actually display your new catalog, where you can display the catalog new product list. But once again, for our purpose, we are actually selecting the homepage, and therefore I'll just select the homepage from this drop down menu. Alright, the next drop down menu we have to select the block reference. Now if you look at the block reference, you'll actually find the left column, main content area, and the right column. Of course, let's go back to our page. So we want that content, our actual catalog of new products, to be displayed right here, and this is actually the main, and this here is actually called the main content area. So let's go back, and from the block reference we'll select main. Alright, then we have some templates. Basically you can display new products in a grid template or a list template. So I would like to display it as a grid. Of course, this is totally up to you. If you prefer list, you can go to list, or maybe the best idea is to actually test both of them, grid and list, and then choose which one you like more. I personally prefer the grid list. Alright, so once we've done that, we can actually hit on save and continue editing again. Alright, so once everything has been saved, we can actually just click on save here. There we go, we have just created a front-end app, and here it is. By clicking on it, you can go back and actually edit it. But let's have a look what it looks like first. So I'll just click on back here, and I'll go back to my home page, and I'll hit on refresh button. Alright, so here it is. Here are the products that are actually new to our online site. So I have only 5 products here, and therefore it's only displaying 5 products, but you can actually choose how many products you would like to display here. So basically this is how you would populate this area here. You can put many different things in here by going and choosing different options within the actual front end app here. But usually for this main part of your page, you would probably put some sort of actually, displaying some products and stuff like that. Once again, we can click on any of those, and those will actually open the product's individual homepage. So here we go, here's the product that I have clicked on, and all the information is actually displayed here as well. Once again, if I go back to my landing page or the home page, I will be presented with actually the same information. And the other link, About Us, if we click on it again, it will display the About Us actual page. So basically it's quite easy to add some information to your homepage like we have done. So let's go once again over the steps required. So we will go from CMS, we will select front end apps. There we will have to select add new front end app instance. We will actually choose the type that we want to add. So here you can find many different types. You can find a CMS static block, category, catalog category, link, and so on. But once again, we have actually selected a category new product list, and then we have actually set continue. This brought us to this page here where we actually entered the name for our instance, app instance, and then we have actually added a layer. We have chosen to actually display this on specific page. You can go to all pages, you can go to the pages which is in regards to your gift cards and virtual products, group products, all types of products and so on. But once again, we're working with the specific page, and therefore we have to select which kind of specific page that we're working with. So we're actually working with homepage. Once we have selected the homepage, we select the block reference. So where would we like to display this? We would like to display it on the main content area on the actual homepage, and then we have actually chosen the template. Alright, after that we have just clicked on save and continue editing, and then save. Once everything has been saved, we actually went and had a look at how our homepage is actually looking. So up to this point we have actually seen how to create a online store, and I think it's looking pretty good, except for this logo part, which is here just for the demonstration purpose. Of course, you would once again select something that's a bit more neater and that goes well with the actual theme of your online store. Also, one more thing that Alright, and that's actually how you would go about entering new products within your homepage. So basically your customers can have a look at the new products when they actually open your online store.